I'm Dr. Rafi Romano. Today I want to give you a full overview on the iTero scanner. iTero scanner is part of the scanners I have in my office, and I want to give you a good overview and flow chart of how we use the iTero in my office. We will deal with the question, why should we scan? Why not regular impression? We will deal also with questions like, is it fast and easy? What do we do with prosthodontics and orthodontics? How we can do treatment simulation, how we can do follow-up of the treatment. All of it will be covered in various movies. So first, let's concentrate, why should we scan? So the first point of the scanning is that it is very easy. As you can see from a scanning video that we have done in our office, every girl in my staff learned how to scan in probably around 5 to 10 minutes. There is tutorials that show you exactly how to scan the outer surface, the inner surface, give you a lot of feedback from the scanner. Is it a good scan or bad scan, and should we do it again? It is very, very fast. As you will see in a comparison that we have done with our two scanners, most of my staff prefer the iTero because it is faster. The third point, it's very accurate and precise. And not only that I get a good feedback from the laboratories that I'm working with, but also all the researches that are published on dental journals show that the iTero scanner specifically and digital scanning in general are very precise and very reliable compared to a regular impression. The next point is I have a good communication with my labs. It can be either bracket labs like Insignia, Incognito, etc., SureSmile, or Invisalign, which is probably the most common used treatment, orthodontic treatment in my office. Another advantage is the teamwork. Since I can export the file to an STL, which is a 3D model, I can send it to all my referring doctors. I can do consultation online, let them view the model and discuss everything. And today, when our time is very limited, this is very, very important. The next point is the option to do treatment simulation. You will see later on in one of the movies how nicely we can market our cases by doing the simulation when the patient is still in the office. But not only for marketing. I will show you a case where I had a debate, should I extract or can I IPR? And I get immediate answer by scanning the patient and doing the simulation, as you will see later. Digital manufacturing is probably one of the most used feature of the scanner. When you send the scan either to Invisalign or to a lab, they can immediately start the manufacturing either of models or aligners or robot wires. All of it is done really fast, really accurate, and without the need of courier and all the mistakes and problems that can occur because of it. Treatment progress follow-up is another feature which is today very, very important, and this is a special feature of Invisalign integrated into the iTero, that I can scan the patient, which takes around 3 to 5 minutes, and compare whether the aligners that he wore is really doing the work that we have planned. I can put the number of aligner that is now in, compare all the movement that had happened and all the movement that didn't happen, and then decide on how I go on with the treatment. The cost is very minimal because once I've purchased the scanner, I'm using it on daily basis. I don't need material of impression, I don't need trays, I don't need to pay courier, I don't waste time on mistakes and get back and forth deliveries to the lab that cost also a lot of money. The patient acceptance is probably a very, very important point that is also surveyed in articles. Patients like scanning much more than regular impressions. They feel more safe, less gag reflex, and they also feel more highly technology integrated in the clinic. One of the features that iTero has is to export any file, any scan to any format. The most used format is, of course, the STL, which can be sent to all laboratories who can accept it like an open source and work with it to do whatever needed, whether it is bracket design, wire design, etc. And the last point is that there is continuous update, which is done actually in the back office by iTero, which are connected to my scanner and do it mostly during the night, checking my scanner, doing the upgrades, doing updates on a regular basis with your maintenance fee for every year. So to me, this is already obvious. I scan. Why to do iTero? I'll explain you later. So see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.